Okay.
There's so much trouble.
So much what?
Trouble.
Pretty good. It's not a picture. It's really herbal.
Yeah.
I like it though.
Yeah, it tastes good.
And then this is Abrams. Oh, are you filming?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Look at my TV personality.
Oh my god.
Am I
Oh my god. Are you ready for this? This is David.
I am a UCLA student. Actually, I'm a UCLA alumni. I'm giving my good friends Jennifer Hyunji and then Miss Leslie a tour of my beautiful alma mater.
Yeah, this is my day one in LA. So it's been a very interesting day. Maybe I'll go here one day.
Really?
Beautiful enough. Yeah, we totally.
I want to transfer here right now.
Hey, let's do it. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, I can transfer here. You can move that way and we can live together. Oh.
And we dance together too.
Yeah.
Whoa. Forever.
That would be fun. Oh, look at that leaf.
I'm gonna cover some of the like freshman tour things that they do. So right here, there's supposed to be like one of these steps where somebody's buried, but they're not. It's not real.
Well,
But I don't remember the full story, but I just know that there was some weird founder shit down. Yeah.
Hey, I love Legally
Me too. I was watching it the other day. Yeah.
So usually UCLA plays Harvard more than Harvard has played itself, so.
I promise to be heaven surprise.
She's going to touch the, what's it called?
Inverted water.
Inverted water fountain. Rumor has it that if you touch it in between your college career, you will fail. Lucky for Leslie, she doesn't go to this school. Is it cold?
It's like lukewarm.
I want to put
Not that cold. It's like whatever.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Here we are, and here's the moment of truth. Oh dang, this bubble tea is no candidate for the golden boba, but it's a good start.
Where do you go? Oh, when the love runs out. Tell me, where do you go? Oh, when the love runs out. Tell me.
Other dishes. Oh, all the dishes. Plus brown rice.
Is it good? Whoa, this stuff is so photogenic.
Wow! Day 2. For me, it's like day 12 for Luke. We are walking to the bus stop to go to Movement Lifestyle, the studio. And then we shall take Tatiana's class. A great start to the day. And then Lee Daniels, a mystery class. Until next time when we have more to say.
California.
Yeah, I really like their ramen. Whoa, check it out. Porky broth from Sujita LA Artisan Noodles. Gotta go here when you're in LA. It's the most famous joint in town for ramen. Right, David? Yeah, this is coming from an LA local. Woo! Yay!
Oh, this place is so good.
Well, describe the process again.
I squeeze the lime on, and then I take the noodle, and then I dip it into this broth, and then I eat it.
Check it out.
The golden noodles, part 2.
It's so interesting. The sourness from the lime and then the broth. Let's go down. Jennifer.
A blood orange lemonade. Finding the lemonade menu, found it, made it work. It was a little hidden, but
Thanks to Leslie.
thanks to
She was proactive.
What are you doing, Jennifer?
Oh, wait, are you recording?
Yeah.
Look at this beautiful place. Whoa, 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 whoa. Here she is, dazzling as always.
hashtag basic things to do in LA.
Wow! Wait, are we looking at each other?
Yeah, we look at you. You're supposed to keep laughing kind of thing, it's all. Wait, is that even how you say provolone?
Provolone.
Provolone?
Provolone.
You've heard of that before?
Yeah, it's a type of cheese.
Okay. So the pizza of the day, I have to read this out because I don't know what it is the verde with chicken, smoked provolone, and roasted garlic.
Whoa, that sounds intense.
Yeah. It's currently $12.50.
Which means it's currently 3:50 North Carolina time.
And AKA turn up time, obviously.
With pizza! Let's eat.